My name's Sam. We're at the Samuel Leeds 4-day crash course at the Thistle Hotel in Heathrow. Really good. A lot of information to take in, such a short space of time. Inspiring, a little bit overwhelming at times, but unbelievable. So much to take away from it, think about. Been just a great few days, but so many good people already as well. So look forward to tonight and then one final day tomorrow.
Amazing. What's it like working with the mentors and working with Samuel? What's that energy like?
Yeah, very good energy, as anyone will know. Once you've seen Samuel on a YouTube video, you get the energy from him there. So when you're actually there with him day to day, seeing how he sort of, addresses himself, gets the crowd involved, it's amazing. So yeah, he gets everyone involved, inspires you, motivates you. And he just sort of makes you see that light at the end of the tunnel. There's possibilities there for everyone. And, like you said, with the mentors, you see them, normal people who have just a few years ahead here, essentially. So there's possibilities are endless. So, yeah.
Amazing. And for anyone who's thinking about getting involved in property, why do you think this is a good place to be?
It feels impossible not to succeed. There's things that he tells you, that Samuel will tell you. I'm not joining the academy yet, but I'm certainly going to be. It seems impossible not to be successful from it. The tools, the options, the people. And it just seems a great all-round service. You'd be stupid not to.